There's going to be a reading for the sign of Capricorn from now until the 15th of the month. So all that you need to know about your situation, your connection, where things are going to be going, your finances. So let's start for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. First 3-4 cards are going to be from you, and then we move to your person. Okay. So overall energy for Capricorn for the month of July, please. We have the Strength card. So I believe some of you guys are resisting from wanting to reach out or wanting to possibly react to a connection or to a person. Okay, I believe right now you're focused on working on yourself. Okay, I see you just minding your own business, to be honest. Okay, in terms of what's the overall challenge going to be for Capricorn, what's the overall challenge going to be for the sign of Capricorn? Okay, with Six of Pentacles, some of you guys could have been a part of a connection that was very much one-sided, and you were still willing to be a part of it. Some of you, this person put you into a third party, and your challenge is to stay away from the third party or from someone who kept you into a third party. Okay, in terms of what needs to change for Capricorn, what needs to change for the sign of Capricorn for the next 15 days, please. With Empress card, darling, you need to draw a boundary as to how much you can give to a person. It is time to focus on yourself, self-love. Give to yourself the love you are wanting to give to another person. You deserve it more. Okay, it's time to get more practical. I know you are a very emotional being about this person. You wanted to build on it. However, things are not looking very good. That is the reason why you need to start focusing on yourself and stop focusing on the connection. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way, what's coming towards the sign of Capricorn. With Two of Swords, I see a lot of imbalance coming your way, a lot of indecisive energy where you have to decide something but you cannot. Maybe some of you have a choice to make and you really cannot decide as to what is right for you and what is wrong for you. I believe there is one thing that is really bad for you, but there is this thing is something that you had feelings for. It could be a relationship or a work like situation, but I believe you guys will have option, and you guys are basically very much indecisive as to what you need to do. It's okay to take time, no harm in that. You had your emotions invested, your energy invested. It is okay to take time. Okay, in terms of the overall energy of the connection, Capricorn is being a part of overall energy. Ace of Wands. I still believe both feel extremely passionate about each other. Regardless if there is communication, this person has blocked you or they put you into a third party, you just cannot let go of this person for whatever reasons. Okay, in the past, yes, there was the silence phase where you guys did not talk or no one really initiated anything. I see silence in the past. Right now, for some of you, I believe you guys are trying or very focused on minding your own business. Okay, but with the Ace of Wands, the passion is still alive, darling. The passion doesn't die. Okay, in terms of your person, their energy, overall energy, Capricorn soulmates, overall energy, please. This person is stuck somewhere. Okay, in terms of what is the Eight of Swords here? Yes, definitely. I believe they were a part of a connection that really did not go anywhere. In the past, yes, they thought that this was their happiness. They did not, want to be a part of you for whatever reason. Okay, but I believe they are stuck with another option. I don't think it has to do with you. It has to do with another situation altogether. In terms of how do they think about you now? In terms of how does the Capricorn soulmate think about Capricorn? King of Pentacles. Why is the King of Pentacles here? Some of you could have got married to this individual in the past and your marriage is basically all messed up. Right now, this person with Three of Wands is at a distance from you. A lot of physical distance between the two of you. Okay, selected few of you, this is someone you met at work or you guys have some sort of business together. Okay, in terms of How do they think about Capricorn? Okay. With Queen of Cups, yes, a part of them still thinks about you. Yes, or some of them still have those feelings for you. But maybe, just maybe, they chose a easier connection. Even after having those feelings and passion for you, they chose someone that they felt was easier, or that they felt could have had a longer, long future. Okay. With Judgment card and top Sun card here, this person decided on letting go of this connection, or possibly walking away from you. Okay. One more card in terms of their honest feelings for you. What are their honest feelings for Capricorn? Some of you, I'm getting with Ten of Wands that this person always blamed you for the shit that went wrong in this connection, regardless if it was your fault or not. Right now, they are burdened with this connection. Thinking about this connection keeps them, feeling heavy and vulnerable and basically miserable. Okay. With Five of Wands, they're still very conflicted. They are not very positive about this connection. Yes, they could be having those feelings for you. However, I still believe they are not wanting to, like possibly open up about those feelings, act on their intentions. No, I still see them very much keeping to themselves, basically choosing what's best for them, like what's easier for them. Okay, in terms of their heart space, High Priestess not opening up. This person has been ghosting you, and with High Priestess, this person hasn't really expressed much. This person is someone who doesn't really express their feelings. They are more like someone who likes to express their love sexually. Okay. One card in terms of their headspace. In terms of their headspace with Queen of Pentacles, trust me when I say this, this person is right now thinking whether they should come back towards you, whether it would be the right decision to make a move towards you. With King of Pentacles, some of you, I believe this person, kept you as a very good option for marriage, or someone they could consider moving forward with in the past, but then things happened, then the third party came in, I believe. Right now with Five of Pentacles, they do not have much to offer. Trust me on that. This person needs healing. If they come towards you, they're just going to make your life messed up. Okay, because they are not healed. Okay, they are someone who have jumped from one connection to the other, and that hasn't helped them. Okay, they do not face their fears. They rather run away from their fears. They distract from their problems. Okay, they don't face their problems. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now, Capricorn. Soulmates intentions towards Capricorn. Intention for now with the Hanged Man is to possibly maintain distance. I'll be very honest here. They want to take more time. In terms of what action do they want to take towards you? What action do they want to take towards you? Sign of Capricorn for the next 15 days. Okay, please clarify the Six of Swords for me in terms of action. Some of you, this person might decide of coming forward towards you maybe in 6 days from now. So that would be like 6th or 7th of this month. Okay, I do see this person messaging you, but for now I see them maintaining distance. Okay, but yes, there's a very high possibility that they will message you, they will communicate. Okay, they will initiate it. Okay, in terms of what can you expect, however, what can Capricorn expect? Judgment. Okay, please clarify. So this relationship has basically been like a wake up call for you, a huge blessing, or I don't know, like maybe a blessing in disguise, I do not know, but it has taught you a lot. But trust me, this person, if at all they come forward, I still see them not changing. They haven't changed. Okay, yes, they are coming, yes, they will message you, however they are going to come back in that same light, that same energy, which you do not deserve. Okay, I don't see them changing. Okay, I see them being their own self, just running from one situation to another, just to not face the complications. Okay, in terms of where things are going to be going for Capricorn and their soulmate. For some of you, this person was only around for benefits. Even if they had that passion for you and they had that warm feeling for you as well, they took so much from you, and it always seemed one-sided. Okay, they benefited a lot from you. Okay, top card we have is Three of Pentacles. So I believe there is a chance that you guys will meet again, you guys will talk again. There could be a possibility that you guys might even spend couple of days together, but the problem is with King of Cups in the reverse, this person is still coming off manipulative, defensive, still acting on their ego, still being stubborn, not wanting to change their ways to mend the connection. Okay, in terms of the overall outcome for the next 15 days, what's the overall outcome going to be like for Capricorn and their soulmate? With the Lovers card, yes, there will be a sure shot possibility that you guys meet again. Okay, you guys will definitely get their attention. The problem, however, is Three of Swords. Are they coming off clean? Have they let go of the third party completely? And if at all they come, what do they have to offer? Just like I told you, Eight of Cups, I don't see them opening up emotionally. Still being distant, still being closed off. Okay. Eight of Cups here. In terms of what do they want from you now? What does this person want from Capricorn? What does this person want from Capricorn? Okay, with Two of Wands, this person wants to possibly stay open to you and see where things could go with you. They are not coming off with a solid plan. Okay, I'll be very honest with you here, but they want to come forward and they want to see where things could go with you. Okay, in terms of spirit messages, however, let's see. For Capricorn, what does Capricorn need to know? Some of you, this person might be a earth sign. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Or some of you, this person could also be Aries. Okay, I'm also getting Pisces. Coming back, just not yet. Okay, coming back, just not yet. What else? Second card we have here, sweet talker, hidden intent. So they always come off sweet because they always have this things to get from you. Like they basically have nothing to offer much, so they are rather going to be very sweet to you to get what they want from you. Okay, in the past I'm getting sweet talker, so friend zoned, not serious. So in the past they could have friend zoned you. In the near future, what do we see happening, Spirit? Okay, so this person is definitely stalking you, stalks you, keeping track. Okay, bottom card, right now you guys are on different levels. Okay, at one time they could have spoken about having a family with you and then it went all down. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Capricorn for the next 2 weeks. All that you need to know about your person. If it has resonated with you and if it has benefited you, please kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for coming in, and all those who want a personal reading, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.